So Julie, to make it easy, once the students have purchased their plasma pen kit, which is obviously their pen, their stand, their probes and their plug, I wanted to just make sure that they knew what they needed to do the perfect treatment. So I recommend they purchase the Ultimate Starter Kit, and you agree?
I do, 100%. It's a business in a box, so you've got everything that you need to start your plasma pen business. So inside this wonderful Ultimate Starter Kit, we have your clip cord covers so that you can dress your pen appropriately for infection control. Some cohesive tape that also goes around your pen with your clip cord cover. You've got your cleansing products, your cleansing wipes, your cleansing tonic to make sure the skin is nice and clean prior to applying the skin peeling gel to encourage your numbing product to be absorbed into the skin at a faster rate. You've got 2 tubes of your step 1 numbing product and your step 2 numbing product. You've also got a skin scanner, Fitzpatrick skin scanner. I love this gadget, yeah. So good. Press it on your wrist, it just tells you exactly what skin tone your client has. We have all of your aftercare in here as well. We've got your colloidal silver, we've got your tinted aftercare balm, which also comes in the pods as well. And we've also got another box of probes so that you've got plenty of treatments that you can do to get going. But of course, we like you to carry on nurturing your client's skin and building that rapport with your clients with your fractional and smooth permeating tip, with serum number 4, which is great for loss of elasticity within the skin, and some conductor gel to help those probes glide over the skin. And then of course we've also got, which I love, always got to have some branding, we've got some beautiful plasma pen headbands as well.
Perfect.
Comes in this lovely box.
Let's get shrinking.
Let's get shrinking!